Hello and welcome back to TestRail Test Case Management Tool Series 2. Last time we have discussed about what is TestRail all about. It is a web-based test case management tool, and it is used by QA engineers, developers, and all team members. In TestRail, we allow members to design test cases, organize test suites, and execute test runs. Last time we have learned that how we can add project. So here in this screen, you can see we have created a GRU 99 Agile project from and how we can add a project from this option, add project. And then in GRU 99 Agile project, we have added a few test cases under different sections like login application positive scenarios and login application negative scenarios. So we have total 5 test cases under two subheadings, subsections. So now we would like to see that how we can create milestone and how we can execute these test cases. So in order to execute these test cases, we have to create a milestone. Basically, milestone provide a convenient way to organize and group your test run according to significant events within a project lifecycle. Uh, for example, you can create a smoke test milestone that whenever your new build arrives, you can create a smoke test milestone, and then we need to create a test plan so that we can execute multiple test runs and also see the validation against multiple configurations. In a test plan, we create actually test runs. Test runs basically have the number of test cases and the execution of those test cases, which provides you results. So let's see that how we can create milestone in TestRail. So here is the option milestones. I'm going to create add milestone. The project name is GRU 99 uh, build 1 smoke test. Okay. And since there is no parent milestone created yet, start date is let's see, we have to finish this on the same date. So I am selecting same start or end date. Uh, we have one option, this milestone is completed. Since we haven't completed this milestone, we are just adding this milestone, and then we need to start this milestone as well, so that so now I am starting milestone on the same date. And also I need to add tests against this milestone, that what test I have to run. So I am adding a test plan in this project, mn guru 99 smoke test plan, and the milestone name is guru 99 build 1 smoke test. Now I am adding this test plan, and also I need to add edit this test plan, and I have to add the test cases against. So here is the test run which is created on the same date, 21/4/2024. I have to select cases. So here are the list of cases. So I am selecting all the test cases in this test run, and now I am adding safe test plan test run. And in this test run, you can see number of tests has been added, and their status is untested. So now we need to execute those tests. um, Positive scenario is your user login in the system with valid credentials. So there are four status. One is pass, one is block, one is retest, and one is failed. So let's see. The status of this test case execution is pass. Let me assign to myself, and we can specify the version 1.1. uh, we can provide time that it took 10 minutes. Since there is this test case is passed, so we need not to provide any defect ID here, and then add result. So you can see that um, my name is appearing as assigned to, and the status is pass. Similarly, if I would like to mark this as passed, again assign to myself version 1.1 and add result, right? And we have to verify user should not log in with invalid user ID and password. Let me mark uh, this as passed. 15 minutes. To verify user should not log in with valid user ID and invalid password. Uh, let's assume that this test case is failed because user is able to log in with in valid user ID and invalid password. So I will record as failed and assign to myself version 1.1, uh, 10 minutes, and the defect ID. Uh, if, for example, the bug ID is bug 123, I can assign, and I can also add image of the field test as well. But at the moment, I don't have any screenshot, so I haven't attached with this result. Okay, for this scenario, last scenario, I would like to retest this scenario again in the next smoke test, so I can mark it as a retest and add result. So there are three cases passed, one failed, and one is retest, and you can see the test results as passed, retest, and failed here as well. So current status of the smoke test is that 60% of the tests are passed, and one is in retest and one is in failed, right? Now I can close this milestone, edit. This milestone is completed. Okay. So this is how you create milestone at test plan and also at test runs against it. So that's all from my demonstration. Uh, Thank you very much for watching.